If you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3, you can easily restore them to their original state. Follow these steps to recover your graphics settings. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Baldur's Gate 3 from your game library. Wait for the game to load to the main menu. Step 2. Access the Options menu. Once on the main menu, navigate to the Options section. This is usually found in the low part of the screen. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, look for the Graphics tab. Click on it to access all the graphics-related settings. Step 4. Reset to Default. Within the graphics settings, look for a button or option that says Reset to Default or Restore Defaults. Click this to revert all graphics settings back to their original state. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After resetting the settings, make sure to save your changes. Then, exit the Options menu and return to the game to see if the graphics have been restored to your satisfaction. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.